Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Techno Hacks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Garena account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to sign up for a new Garena account, go and open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.garena.sg and press enter on your keyboard. Garena is a Singaporean game developer and publisher of free online games. It is famous for developing and publishing Free Fire, a popular mobile battle royale game. Once you end up in the official site of Garena, go and click the account option at the upper right. You'll be able to see the login area displayed on the screen. To sign up for a new account, click on Register a New Account button at the bottom. Go ahead and type in the username in the first text box that you'd like to set for your Garena account. Once you type in a username, head over to the next field and type in a password for your account. Make sure to create a password which is easier for you to remember and difficult for others to guess. While creating a password, remember that your password must be between 8 to 16 characters. It must contain at least one lowercase, one uppercase, and one number followed by a symbol in your password. Once you create a password that matches the criteria, head over to the next field and re-enter your password. After you do that, head over to the email text field and type in your email address that you'd like to register with Garena. You'll need to type in the verification code in order to verify the email address first. Click on the Get Code button and open up your email inbox. Make sure to open up the same email that you just registered Garena account with. Go and copy the code that you received and in the verification code text field, paste in the code. On the next field, select your country code and provide your mobile number. You'll also need to verify your mobile number. Click on the Get Code button right next to the verification code text box and type in the verification code that you received in your mobile number. Soon after you type in the code that you received, select your country from the drop down beneath. Finally, click on the Register Now button. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for a new account on Garena. You can now easily get access to popular and engaging mobile and PC online games developed by Garena. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.